Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your Motorola Moto G77. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels in the settings. So what you guys are interested in is increasing the media volume and the call volume. So now we press the volume up button to increase the media, and we want to make sure by going into the settings and sounds and vibration. Now as you guys can see, media volume and the call volume are maxed out, so that's great. And after that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the speaker grill with a soft brush. So as you guys may know, we got the speaker grill at the bottom, and we can grab a soft brush and just have fun with it. Make sure that we clean it thoroughly from any dust and debris. And after cleaning it, make sure that you do it specifically well. That was just a test cleaning because I know that it is clean. And after that, what you guys want to do is go over into the connected devices, then connection preferences and Bluetooth. We want to make sure that Bluetooth is disabled to make sure that audio is not rerouted to any other device like headphones, speakers, even a car system. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to restart our phone. So press the power button, the volume up button at the same time. Now tap restart and the phone is now restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, we're going to quickly enter our PIN if we have one. And after that, what we're going to do is we're going to update our software. So this is as a last resort. We're going to go over into the settings. And in those settings, we're going to swipe down to system updates. So we got it right here. Now let's go over and click check for updates. This will check our updates, and as you guys can see, I am on the latest version. But if you're not, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of your software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.